Welcome to Healthy Ways and stay tuned until the end of the video, as you will receive 3 bonus ebooks which can help you to improve your lives in many ways. 1. Citrus organic products. A great many people go directly to Nutrient C after they've come down with a bug. That is on the grounds that it assists work with increasing your resistant framework. Nutrient C is thought to build the creation of white platelets, which are vital to battling contaminations. Practically all citrus organic products are high in Nutrient C. With such an assortment to browse, it's anything but difficult to include a crush of this nutrient to any dinner. Well-known citrus organic products include grapefruit, oranges, clementines, tangerines, lemons, limes. Since your body doesn't create or store it, you need day-by-day Nutrient C for proceeded with well-being. The suggested day-by-day sum for most grown-ups is 75 mg for ladies, 90 mg for men. In the event that you choose supplements, abstain from taking in excess of 2000 mg/mg a day. Additionally, remember that while Nutrient C may assist you with recuperating from a chilly snappier, there's no proof yet that it's powerful against the new coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2. 2. Red peppers. In the event that you think citrus organic products have the most Nutrient C of any natural product or vegetable, reconsider. Ounce for ounce, red chime peppers contain right around 3-fold the amount of Nutrient C, 127 mg trusted source, as a Florida orange, 45 mg trusted source. They're additionally a rich wellspring of beta-carotene. Other than boosting your invulnerable framework, Nutrient C may assist you with keeping up sound skin. Beta-carotene, which your body changes over into Nutrient A, helps keep your eyes and skin solid. 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is supercharged with nutrients and minerals. Pressed with nutrients A, C, and E, just as fiber and numerous different cancer prevention agents, broccoli is perhaps the most beneficial vegetable you can put on your plate. The way to keeping its capacity flawless is to cook it as meager as could reasonably be expected, or even better, not in the slightest degree. A trusted source has demonstrated that steaming is the most ideal approach to keep more supplements in the nourishment. 4. Garlic. Garlic is found in pretty much every food on the planet. It adds a touch of punch to nourishment, and it's an unquestionable requirement have for your well-being. Early developments perceived its incentive in battling diseases. Garlic may likewise hinder solidifying of the courses, and there's frail proof that it assists lower with blooding pressure. Garlic's insusceptible boosting properties appear to originate from an overwhelming centralization of sulfur-containing mixes, for example, allicin. 5. Ginger. Ginger is another fixing many go to in the wake of becoming ill. Ginger may help decline aggravation, which can help decrease an irritated throat and provocative sicknesses. Ginger may help with sickness also. While it's utilized in numerous sweet pastries, ginger packs some warmth as gingerol, a relative of capsaicin. Ginger may likewise diminish ceaseless pain trusted source, and may even have cholesterol bringing down properties trusted source. 6. Spinach. Spinach made our rundown not on the grounds that it's plentiful in Nutrient C, it's additionally pressed with various cell reinforcements and beta-carotene, which may both increment the contamination-battling capacity of our invulnerable frameworks. Like broccoli, spinach is most advantageous when it's cooked as meager as could be expected under the circumstances, with the goal that it holds its supplements. Be that as it may, light cooking makes it simpler to retain the nutrient and permits different supplements to be discharged from oxalic, corrosive, and antinutrient. Look at some spinach plans here. 7. Yogurt. Search for yogurts that have the expression live and dynamic societies imprinted on the mark, similar to Greek yogurt. These societies may animate your insusceptible framework to help battle infections. Attempt to get plain yogurts as opposed to the caring that are enhanced and stacked with sugar. You can improve plain yogurt yourself with sound foods grown from the ground shower of nectar. Yogurt can likewise be an extraordinary wellspring of nutrient D, so attempt to choose brands sustained with this nutrient. Nutrient D controls the resistant framework and is thought to support our body's characteristic protections against illnesses. Clinical preliminaries are even underway to contemplate its potential impacts on COVID-19. 8. Almonds. With regards to forestalling and fending off colds, nutrient E will in general assume a lower priority in relation to nutrient C. Be that as it may, this incredible cell reinforcement is critical to a solid resistant framework. It's a fat-dissolvable nutrient, which implies it requires the nearness of fat to be assimilated appropriately. Nuts, for example, almonds, are pressed with the nutrient and furthermore have solid fats. Grown-ups just need around 15 milligrams of nutrient E every day. A half-cup serving of almonds, which is around 46 entire, shelled almonds, gives around 100% trusted source of the suggested day-by-day sum. 9. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are loaded with supplements, including phosphorus, magnesium, and nutrients B6 and E. Nutrient E is significant in controlling and keeping up safe framework work. Different nourishments with high measures of nutrient E incorporate avocados and dim verdant greens. Sunflower seeds are likewise unbelievably high in selenium. Only 1 ounce contains about half the selenium that the normal grown-up needs day by day. An assortment of studies, generally performed on creatures, have taken a gander at its capability to battle viral contaminations, for example, pig influenza H1N1. 10. Turmeric. You may know turmeric as a key fixing in numerous curries. This splendid yellow, severe zest has additionally been utilized for quite a long time as a mitigating in treating both osteoarthritis and rheumatoid joint pain. Research shows that high convergences of curcumin, which gives turmeric its unmistakable shading, can help decline workout-instigated muscle harm. Curcumin has guarantee as a resistant supporter and an antiviral. More research is required. 11. Green tea. Both green and dark teas are stuffed with flavonoids, a sort of cancer prevention agent. Where green tea truly exceeds expectations is in its degrees of epigallocatechin gallate (EGCG), another amazing cell reinforcement. In considers, EGCG has been appeared to upgrade in vulnerable capacity. The maturation procedure dark tea experiences wrecks a great deal of the EGCG. Green tea, then again, is steamed and not aged, so the EGCG is safeguarded. Green tea is likewise a decent wellspring of the amino-corrosive L-theanine. L-theanine may help in the creation of germ-battling mixes in your T cells. 12. Papaya. Papaya is another organic product stacked with nutrient C. You can discover the day-by-day suggested measure of nutrient C in a solitary medium organic product. Papayas likewise have a stomach-related protein considered papain that has calming impacts. Papayas have respectable measures of potassium, magnesium, and folate, which are all helpful to your general well-being. 13. Kiwi. Like papayas, kiwis are normally brimming with a huge amount of fundamental supplements, including folate, potassium, nutrient K, and nutrient C. Nutrient C supports the white platelets to battle disease, while kiwi's different supplements keep the remainder of your body working appropriately. 14. Poultry. At the point when you're wiped out and you go after chicken soup, it's something beyond the misleading impact that causes you to feel better. The soup may help lower aggravation, which could improve side effects of a virus. Poultry, for example, chicken and turkey, is high in nutrient B6. Around 3 ounces of light turkey or chicken meat contains about 33% of your day-by-day suggested measure of B6. Nutrient B6 is a significant player in huge numbers of the substance responses that occur in the body. It's likewise essential to the arrangement of new and solid red platelets. Stock or stock made by bubbling chicken bones contains gelatin, chondroitin, and different supplements supportive for gut recuperating and resistance. 15. Shellfish. Shellfish isn't what hops to mind for some, who are attempting to support their resistant framework. However, a few kinds of shellfish are pressed with zinc. Zinc doesn't get as much consideration, the same number of different nutrients and minerals, however our bodies need it so our invulnerable cells can work as proposed. Assortments of shellfish that are high in zinc include shellfish, crab, lobster, mussels. Remember that you would prefer not to have more than the everyday suggested measure of zinc in your eating routine. 11 milligrams for grown-up men. 8 milligrams for most grown-up ladies. A lot of zinc can really repress resistant framework work. Healthy ways. Subscribe for daily health tips.